Hi everyone, this is just a quick Remind tutorial. Remind is a application or website that will enable teachers and parents to communicate back and forth through messaging, through voice recording, through pictures, and it's a nice way for teachers to remind everybody of upcoming events. So if you have a login already, you can just click here. If you don't, you sign up. You can enter your phone number or your email. After you have done that, there will be a code sent to either your email or phone number, whichever you included in that sign up. After you get into the application on your computer, you will see that there's different sections here: classes owned, which are for teachers only; classes joined, which would be for parents. If you have more than one child in a class or a school, that uses Remind, it would be nice to have this because you can set up different classes here and they will all show up kind of by themselves, and that way you can keep everything separated. Up at the top, you'll see messages that were sent back and forth from parent to teacher, files such as pictures or recordings, and all the people that you basically talk back and forth with. Under messages here, in order to send something to your teacher, you would just type it in down here and send it, or you can add an attachment from your computer if a file was completed and you wanted to send that to them, or a picture of possibly student work. In order to join a class on the desktop version of this, you would simply click Join a Class, and you could enter the code that your teacher gave to the student or to your child. You could also search for your class instead by school, and then it'll give you a list of all the different teachers that use the Remind app. If you want to use this desktop version, that's up to you. I prefer the phone version. In order to do that, I would simply go up here, click Get the Remind app. I would type in my phone number. It'll send me a direct link, and then I would just have to click on that link on my phone. As you can see, I was sent that directly to my phone. So if I did not have the app already, I can just click right here. If I do have the app, I can click on the top, but I'm just going to show you it like I did not download it yet. So I would just go through. It's going to take me to Play Store or Apple Store, whatever you would like. You can open it or install it, and it'll take me right to my Remind app on my phone. As you can see, I have all my classes listed here, and I can just type in and see what I've said to each student's teacher. You could also have the files that you sent back and forth, and as you can see, I've sent some of my daughter's files to her teachers, and that's included as well. If I wanted to go into a classroom and send anything, I could just do that through this app. So if I wanted to send something to my daughter's Girl Scout teacher, I could just type a message at the bottom. I could insert a camera or insert a picture using the camera, or do a simple voice recording if I wanted to just leave her a message like that, or maybe record my daughter reading a book or anything like that, sounding out some words. So it's really a great app. It keeps everything nice and organized, and it's an easy way for parents and teachers to communicate back and forth pretty quickly.